If someone corrects you, and you feel offended, then you have an ego problem. When you find yourself in a position to help someone, be happy because Allah is answering that person's prayer through you. The real dawah to Islam is the character of a Muslim. When you're going through something hard and you start wondering where Allah is, just remember, the teacher is always quiet during a test. Regret is a form of punishment itself. Guilt is a gift from Allah warning you that what you are doing is violating your soul. Sabr is not remaining quiet and allowing anger to build up inside you. Sabr is to talk about what's bothering you without losing control of your emotions. Allah says Jannah is awesome. Imagine how awesome that is when the All-Knowing is calling it awesome. People have no idea how true the promise of Allah is. Put your trust in Allah, and He will see you through. You and I are not Muslim, because we are born in a Muslim family. You and I are not Muslim, because you read a book about Islam, or saw a YouTube video and decided to become Muslim. We are Muslim, because Allah chose us. Allah chose us. Your relationship with Allah depends on the heart being clean. If we show Allah just a little bit of gratitude, He tells us, I will increase you, and increase you, and increase you, I swear to it. If you could only show me the least bit of gratitude. If your parents are alive, be grateful at the opportunity to earn Jannah by serving them. Your sin is not greater than God's mercy. I should be grateful for the tough times because Allah chose me, thought I was good enough to go through it. If shaitan has entered into your heart, evil will look beautiful to you and good will seem tiring and exhausting. You can't change someone's behavior, all you can do is remind them, and hope that Allah will change their heart. You can't just pretend that the things you watch, and the things you hear, and the places you go will not have an impact on your character. They will. Every hour has its own value. Every minute is precious. Every second is irreplaceable. Thank Allah for the time you have, be it little. If you thank Allah for something, He will surely increase it in its blessings. Filthy language is used by people who don't have the maturity or intelligence to express themselves with better words. Islam is not a set of rules. It's a way of seeing life and the world. People can put you down, and they will, but Allah will never abandon you, so long as you don't. Not letting our mood affect the way we treat people is a forgotten sunnah. If you have friends or family who are not practicing, give them your company and not your judgment. They need your patience and your love. Allah is sufficient for judgment and He subhanahu wa ta'ala is a perfect judge. We are not. When you're not patient, you start complaining. And the fact that you're complaining is a sign that you're not grateful. When Allah grants us the sense to ask Him for forgiveness, then He has granted us a huge favor. It's a sign that He wants to forgive us. Our religion doesn't demand perfection but instead a manageable strive to better ourselves. Forgiving someone isn't just about doing good to another. It's also about healing a scar in your own heart. If you believe in justice, surely you believe in the hereafter, because this world is not just. There's a battle going on inside you in Ramadan, and for 30 days Allah gives you the power to win. The heart is like a fuel tank that you always have to keep filling up with Iman. Do not force the religion on your family. Show them the beauty of the religion through your own practice. Forget bad deeds, even the good we do are full of mistakes. The most important investment of our time is in our people and in our youth.